Nitrogen is in the air we breathe. So under normal circumstances, nitrogen is gas, just like oxygen or carbon dioxide or anything else that you would use for like a balloon. But what I have here is liquid nitrogen. And we have to keep it in a special container, and we don't let a lot of people get to use it because it's incredibly, incredibly cold. Liquid nitrogen is super, super cold. And so the reason I wanted you guys to stand back is because unless you're a professional, it can be really dangerous.
It looks like a recipe.
The normal way we make ice cream is we have to have it in a metal bowl, and the bowl touches ice, and you stir it and stir it and stir it. And it takes a really long time for everything to freeze.
Whoa.
But
Can you crush it?
with this, it does not take that long to freeze. So you can see.
That's just a few seconds.
Is that the ice?
That was just a few seconds. So everybody can see that this flour is normal, right? It doesn't crush, right? So you can see that this is just a regular flour from outside. It was just from outside, out front of the building.
So soft.
And so now, I'm going to put the flour in just for a couple seconds.
Don't crush it.
You can just crush it so quick.
That's
Well, the other ones are still okay. We're going to need vanilla ice cream over here
Yay.
and chocolate over here. So this part's pretty easy and reasonably safe. If something's dynamic, what is it doing? It's moving around a lot, right? So if we talk about thermodynamics, we're talking about moving heat or moving cold from one place to another. So the reason the bowl got super cold, the reason the flours froze, and the reason the water froze is because the liquid nitrogen is so super cold that it'll suck all of the heat out of anything it touches. Which is why I have to wear the gloves, and you guys have to stand back whenever I use it. All that smoke coming off is actually water vapor in the air. It gets cold for a second, cold enough to start looking like a cloud, and then it warms back up, which is why it doesn't stay put. Alright, let's go again. It's starting to chunk up.
Stand back.
It looks like them witch bowls I used to see in movies.
Yeah.
Which is brutal.
Excuse me, it looks like
The love
a
potion.
recipe.
The love for ice cream.
Am I right? I'm not sure.
Because everybody loves ice cream.
Start cooling down.
So you can see pieces of it getting solid now.
Ooh.
Alright, cold air sinks to the bottom, which is why it comes out and starts pouring all over. It's getting stiff, solid ice cream.
I can hear it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I get it. It's like it's not even it's getting hard.
Ice cream!
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Guess what would happen if this got on you? Remember what happened to that flour?
Yeah. Freeze.
Yeah, you don't want your finger to freeze off, do you?
Part of the reason this is the best chem demo ever is that cleaning up is super easy.